Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a quick video on how to clean the foam engine air filter element that's on your small 4-stroke engine, such as this Briggs Stratton engine that's on this lawnmower here today. So let's get into it. Let's get the foam air filter out and let's give that a clean. Now I've just got some warm water. We'll add some dishwashing soap into that. You don't want to use carb cleaner or WD-40 or any other solvent on the filter because that'll expand up. Just warm water and dishwasher liquid is perfect. So let's get that foam filter out now and we'll give that a solid clean. So just undo that top screw, get that plastic in or out, and the foam filter, you can see that's dirty underneath. So I'm just going to squirt some liquid soap into my hot water. Whatever you do, don't do this in the kitchen sink because that doesn't make for a happy marriage. And then we're just going to really just expand that foam just like this, just getting all of that dirt out. Now straight away you can see that water has gone brown and it's sudding up, so it's obviously working a treat. As you can see, it's still a little bit brown on the bottom, so we'll just keep going. So we just gently massage all of the grime out of that filter. As you can see, this filter's really cleaning up nicely. That on the top really is just a little bit of staining. You can see all of the dirt is actually come out of that. And what I'll do now is just give that a thorough squeeze out. I might get some paper towel just to soak any extra moisture out, and then we'll just put it to one side to dry. So just grab some paper towel and we'll roll that up just to help extract any more moisture that we can at this stage. As you can see, that thorough squeeze really does get most of it out anyway. And we'll just put this to one side now and just let that dry before we reinstall it in the mower. So we've let our air filter dry for a couple of hours and you can see it's nice and clean now. It's got a little bit of staining. Now probably could replace it with a new one, but this one's actually quite fine. Downstream I probably will replace this one. So with that nice and dry, we just pop that back in our housing. We've got our plastic retainer, we put that in the center, and then we pop the cover back on just like that, and we do it up nice and tight. Grab our screwdriver there and just spin that in, and just like that we are done. So there you go folks, that's how to clean your foam air filter for a small engine such as this Briggs Stratton on this lawnmower here. If you have liked the video, do remember to like the video, and on the channel we've got other DIY maintenance on small engines, on vehicles. On the channel we've got the Mercedes, the Audi, the Mazda and the Ford Falcon, which you might have caught a glimpse in the background. So if you're interested in any servicing or maintenance on those vehicles, do remember to hit that subscribe button. But until next time, have a good evening.